Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Social Science for class 1, and the topic we will discuss is food we eat. Food we eat. Do you know why we need food? We need food for energy. Food gives us energy, and with this energy we play, we work, we do so many things. Okay, and food also tastes very yummy and good. Okay, makes us feel better when we are hungry. When we are hungry, what happens? We go to mama and say, Mama, give us food. We are hungry. So, food give us energy and food make us feel good. Food. What are the importance of food? Why we should take food? Food make us healthy and strong. Food help us to grow, gives us energy and protects us from illness. Illness means when we are sick, we are having fever, we are having cold, we are having cough. So in that, what do food do? Food protects us from illness. We eat 3 meals in a day. You know meals? Meals means food that we eat. We eat breakfast, we have lunch, we have dinner. So how many meals? 3 meals. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Good food habits keeps us healthy. Yes, if we are eating good food, we will be healthy. If we will eat bad food, which is not good, we will be ill, we will be sick. Okay, and we should not waste food and water. So importance of the food will be, food makes us healthy and strong. Food help us to grow. Okay, it gives us energy and it protects us from illness also. How many meals we eat in a day? We eat 3 meals in a day. Okay, good food habits keeps us healthy, and we should not waste food and water at all, because food is very important for everyone in this world. Now comes to what are the meals? Meals in a day. The food we eat at different times of a day is called a meal. What is a meal? The food we eat at different times of a day is called a meal. Some people eat vegetables, pulses, rice. You know what are pulses? Pulses, at home your mama used to make dal for you, that are known as pulses. Rice, fruits and milk in their meals. So some people eat vegetables. 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 Pulses. 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 Rice. 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 Fruits. 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 And milk. milk. Milk in their meals. Some people like to have eggs. EGGS, eggs. The eggs, the hen's egg. Chicken, CHICKEN, chicken. And fish, FISH, fish in their meals. We usually have 3 meals in a day. We normally take how many meals? 3 meals. What are those? Number 1, breakfast. BREAKFAST, breakfast. Okay. Number 2, lunch. LUNCH, lunch. And number 3 is dinner. DINNER, dinner. Okay. So what do you understand with the meaning of meal? What is a meal? The food we eat at different times of a day is called a meal. Again, the food we eat at different times of a day is called a meal. Again, we will repeat and you will repeat with me. The food we eat at different times of a day is called a meal. Okay? The food we eat at different times of a day is called a meal. Very good. Now, some people eat vegetables. Some people eat vegetables, pulses, rice, fruits and milk in their meals. And some people like to have eggs, chicken and fish in their meals. We normally take how many meals? We take or have 3 meals. We take or have 3 meals. How many meals we have? We normally have 3 meals. What are those? Breakfast. BREAKFAST, breakfast. Breakfast that we take in the morning. LUNCH, lunch. Lunch that we take in the noontime. And DINNER, dinner that we take in the night. So how many meals? 3 meals. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Let us discuss about meal time. We should follow a time schedule to eat our meals. We basically eat 3 meals in a day with small helping snacks in between. You know what are snacks? Snacks are the normal general food that we eat, and they are very light, like biscuits, fruits, they are light. Okay, so see, there I have shown you the meals, I have shown you the time and the food that we eat. Breakfast. In breakfast, we take milk, toast, dosa, upma, idli, cereals and poha, and we should take breakfast in the morning at 7:30 a.m. or nearby that time. Snacks. Then after taking the breakfast, we should have snacks. Now, snacks should be at around 10:30 a.m. Okay, and in that you can take fruits Then lunch. Now in the lunch, usually lunch is taken in the noon time. It means afternoon, and afternoon it will be around 1 p.m. Okay, in that we can take rice, dal and vegetables. Next, snacks. Snacks is taken in the evening time around 4 o'clock, in which we can take milk, biscuits. Okay, dinner is taken usually in the night time, and it should be around 7:30 or 8 o'clock, and in that you can take chapati, vegetables. Okay, and you know what, students, if we follow and take the meals on time, we will always remain healthy and strong. Okay, we must eat our meals on time to keep our body healthy and strong. So usually we take how many meals in a day? 3 meals in a day, that are breakfast, lunch and dinner. So how many meals we take? We take 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, with some small helping snacks in between. Breakfast should be taken in the morning. After breakfast, we should take some snacks. Okay, and after that, we should take our lunch in the noon time. And then we should take again the snacks around 4 o'clock. Okay, and then we should go for our dinner, and after dinner we should go for the bed to sleep. Okay, so we must eat our meals on time to keep our body healthy and strong. Breakfast. You know what is a breakfast? Breakfast is the first meal of the day. We eat breakfast in the morning. As it is morning right now, so we will have breakfast. Some healthy breakfast is, look, see, bread, cornflakes, milk, sandwich, yogurt. Yogurt, you know, yogurt is a cream that we make, that mama used to make at home. Juice, they all are healthy breakfast, and all are good for our body. So breakfast is the first meal of the day. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat breakfast in the morning. And give some example that we eat in breakfast. We eat bread. We eat some cornflakes. We eat milk. We eat sandwiches. We eat yogurt and juice. We can eat anything, whatever we like, okay, in the breakfast. So breakfast is the first meal of the day, and we eat breakfast in the morning. Some healthy breakfast are bread, juice, cornflakes, milk, sandwiches, yogurt. Okay, and there are other examples also of the breakfast. Now let us come to know what is a lunch. Lunch is the meal that we eat in the afternoon. Lunch is the meal that we eat in the afternoon. It means around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. That is called a lunch. Okay. Now in the lunch, what can we eat? We eat chapati, we eat rice, we eat pulses, we eat vegetables, and sometimes mama also used to give you some sweet dishes. Okay, that is the lunch. Okay, this is called lunch. So lunch is the meal that we eat in the afternoon. Lunch is a meal that we eat in the afternoon. Now let us know what is a dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day. Dinner is a last meal of a day. We have dinner in night. We take dinner in night, in the night time when we are about to sleep. The sun sets, it's all dark, and the moon is there in the sky with the twinkling stars. That is a night time. Some people also like to have sweet dish after dinner. Okay, so in the dinner we usually take chapatis, dal, okay, the pulses and the vegetables, okay, and some people also take sweet dish after having the dinner, like they used to have ice cream, or they used to take some rasgulla, gulab jamun, sandesh, and some any type of the sweet dish which they have. Okay, so dinner is the last meal of the day, and we take dinner at night time. Some people like to have sweet dish after dinner. Now let us understand, what do you know by light meals? What do you know by light meals? The food we eat between our main meals. Main meals, we have three main meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, after dinner we don't eat anything, and we should not eat anything. Okay, so breakfast, lunch and dinner. In between the time of breakfast and lunch there is a gap. Okay, so we should take light meal here. Now coming lunch and breakfast, dinner. This between the lunch and dinner, again there is a gap. So we should take a light meal here also. But after dinner we should not eat anything. Okay, so the food that we eat between our main meals is called light meals. Fruits, biscuits and milk are examples of some light meals. We can have food, we can take biscuit, we can take milk. Okay, these are the light food for our body. So food we eat between our main meals is called light meal. Now you will repeat with me, okay? The food we eat between our main meals is called light meal. Let us repeat again. The food we eat between our main meals is called light meals. For example, fruits, biscuits and milk. Okay, fruit, biscuits and milk are the examples of light meals. Some unhealthy food are sometimes called junk food. Some unhealthy foods are also called junk foods. You know, junk foods which are very bad for health, like burger, pizza, pasta, okay, uncle chips and those chips, Lays, Kurkure and all, they are very bad for our health, and those food are called junk foods. Those food are called junk foods. It means unhealthy food is sometimes called junk food. burger. It's very unhealthy for our health. It's not good. Kurkure, Lays, Uncle Chips, they all are not good for our health. Okay, and even the chocolates are also not good for our health. So, unhealthy food is sometimes also called junk foods, and junk foods are not good for health. Okay, it does not give us energy, but it makes us lazy, dull. Okay, so we should not eat junk food at all. Don't tell your mama to give your burger, pizza, okay? You can have it once, okay? If you like, you can have it once, but not on the daily, okay? You will not say daily to your mom that, Mama, I need burger, I need pizza, I need pasta, I need chocolates to eat. No, you will not do that so. Unhealthy food is sometimes called junk foods, okay? Junk, junk, FOOD, foods. So unhealthy food is sometimes called junk foods. For example, burger, BURGER, burger. Pizza, 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 okay? Chocolates, chips, they all are junk foods. You know what? Many people do one thing, that they buy food from the market and they eat, which is very bad. We should always eat that food which is made at home. You are coming to the school, and in between there are so many shops. Okay, from there you buy some chips, some other things, okay, pastries and all for you to eat, which is wrong. We should always eat the food which is made by your mama, which is made at home. Okay, we buy most the things we eat from the market. In school, we eat hot and healthy food that is made from the noon meal, okay, or whatever we bring in the lunch box that we eat, and all that food is made at home, okay, which is made by your mama, and mama used to make very healthy food for you and you really love it. So we should always eat the food which is made at home. Now let me tell you about some Indian cuisine, the famous dishes of India. In the West Bengal, it means Kolkata, Sandesh. Sandesh is a very yummy and a good sweet dish, okay? In Maharashtra, Maharashtra is usually famous for pav bhaji. Yummy pav bhaji are there in Maharashtra and you will love it. Whenever you go to Maharashtra, tell your mom and dad that you want to have pav bhaji. Tamil Nadu, you will have dosa, idli, sambar. They all are famous dish of Tamil Nadu. Punjab, you will find sarson ka saag, which is very yummy and you like to have with chapati. Okay, so these are some important and famous dishes of India. All over India, there are several dishes we find, and many of the dishes are very famous all over the country. Okay. Like in Rajasthan, we like to have dal bati churma. Okay, same like in West Bengal, Sandesh is very famous. Okay, Maharashtra for pav bhaji, Tamil Nadu and other rest part of the South India, idli, sambar, vada, okay, dosa, they all are famous. Punjab, we find sarson ka saag, makke di roti, kimbap, so many other things, okay, and so many other places they are famous for good dishes. So in this chapter, what we learned about? We learned about that food is very important for us. Food gives us energy and it keeps us safe from illness, or it protects us from illness. Okay, it helps us to grow. It protects us from illness. It gives us energy. Okay, good food habits keep us healthy. It means we should always eat good food. We should not waste food at all. Okay, there are 3 types of meals in a day. What is a meal? The food we eat at different times of a day is called a meal. The food we eat at different times of a day is called a meal. Okay, some people eat pulses, vegetables, etc. and some people like to have chicken and eggs. There are 3 meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast. Now breakfast is a meal which we take in the morning. We can have bread, we can have sandwich, we can have milk, fruits, juice. Okay, so many other things we can have in the breakfast. Then comes for the lunch. Lunch we take in the noon time. Okay, in that we can have chapati, pulses, vegetables. Okay, and even we can also have curd. Next comes for the dinner. Now for the dinner, we should always take the dinner in the night time. Okay, dinner is taken in the night time, and in the dinner we can have chapati, vegetable, pulses, and many people also take sweet dish after dinner. Now, in between the time of morning and afternoon and dinner, okay, the 2 gaps, fine. So in the between these 2 gaps we can have light meals. Okay, the food that we eat in between the 2 meals is called a light meal. Now in the light meal we can have fruits, milk. Okay, we can have fruits, we can have biscuit, we can have milk also. These are called light meals. Okay, and eating good food is very good for our health. Now you know there are some food which are very unhealthy for us, which are not good at all. They are called junk food. Junk food like burger, pizza, all the chips, okay, the kurkures and all, they all are very bad for our health. Okay, and we should not eat too much of these foods. Okay, next, that we should always eat the food which is made at home, not the food which is made in the market. Sorry. Now here there are some important and famous dishes of India. In West Bengal, Sandesh is very famous. Maharashtra, Pav Bhaji. Tamil Nadu for idli, dosa, sambar, and Punjab for the sarson ka saag. Now I hope you all have enjoyed this chapter, the food we eat. Now students, you will read the chapter very nicely at home. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.